Tonight we're going to have Caribbean chicken and rice stew. Oh my, I just can't wait for dinner, so let's get started. It calls for a whole chicken cut up, but I'm using 2 large chicken breasts for mine, and ham, sliced ham that I usually keep in small portions in my freezer, 1 onion and 1 bell pepper cut up, and we'll need rice, olives, saffron, garlic, salt and pepper, oregano, stewed tomatoes, uncooked regular rice, frozen peas and carrots, and green olives if you choose. So let's get started. You take your chicken and you place it into your pan. A Dutch oven or a skillet will do. This Dutch oven has seen a lot of cooking in its day, as you can tell from the inside, but believe me, it is clean. And then next you take your spices and you sprinkle them on top, along with the salt and the pepper. Oh, the combination of spices. I added on my own the saffron. I really enjoy saffron when I have rice, and I thought saffron would add a nice flavor and also a beautiful color, a beautiful, beautiful yellow color to the dish when it's all completed. So in goes the saffron. Oh boy. I don't use it very often because it is quite expensive, but when you have a dish such as this, it calls for saffron, in my opinion. So, without further ado, next, after the spices, we need to add the 2 cups of water and the stewed tomatoes. In goes the onions, the garlic, and leaving out the bell pepper. That goes in last. So once all of your vegetables are on top of your chicken, you need to add the 2 cups of water and your stewed tomatoes. Now that everything is in the pot, for the first steps of this dish, you want to give it a stir, combine it nicely, and then on high, bring it up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you will want to lower your stove to low and leave it on a simmer for 30 minutes. Place the cover on top after you've set your timer. Now, it's been 30 minutes and it's time to add the rice to the pot. We will add the rice, we will stir it around, make sure it's all combined so it's not all in one lump in the middle, and then we're going to cover it, keeping it on low, and we're going to cook that for an additional 20 minutes until the rice is cooked through. Now, the pot has sat for 20 minutes and I forgot to hit record. So what I did here, I added the rest of the ingredients. The ham, the bell pepper, the frozen peas and carrots, the olives, and for about 5 minutes. And of course I had to play with my kitchen glove. So it's been about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. And look at that, isn't that delightful? I wanted to move it around and make sure everything was getting heated thoroughly, as it was. Oh my goodness, the explosion of flavor and the colors. I just couldn't wait to sit down for dinner. I must say this has been one of the easiest meals I've ever prepared, and the taste is outstanding. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.